Let me ask you something. When was the last time you truly felt you are loved? Not just the word I love you, but actually felt deep inside your heart? If you had to think about it and if you don't remember that instantly, then your heart chakra needs healing. And today I am going to help you open it. Stay with me. Let me tell you what is heart chakra. Heart chakra is the fourth chakra that sits right in the middle of your chest. The color is green, a beautiful healing green, and the sound is yam, Y-A-M, yam. And the frequency is 639 Hertz. Do you know? This is the most important chakra. Do you know why? Because it sits right in the middle. 3 chakras below it and 3 chakras above it. This is the bridge between your physical world and the spiritual world. Without this bridge, nothing can flow. No love comes in, no love goes out. Just become like an island alone. Surrounded by people but completely alone. Now let me tell you, why does your heart chakra get blocked? Now here is the truth nobody tells you. Your heart chakra does not get blocked when somebody hurts you. It actually gets blocked because after someone hurt, you made a decision. You said to yourself that I am never going to let other people come into my life so close again. You built a wall, and that wall, that decision, that's the block. I don't know, maybe it was your parent who did not show you that love which you were needed it. Maybe it was your partner who did not trust you, or maybe your friend who walked away when you needed them the most. And in that moment of the pain, you closed your heart. You said and you decided love is dangerous, love is pain, safer being alone. And here comes the tragedy. That wall you built to protect yourself, now the very thing that keeps love out of your life. Now how do you know your heart chakra is blocked? Let me tell you the signs of it. Physically, you will have chest tightness, breathing problem, upper back problem, shoulder pains. Some people even develop heart related issues over the time. Emotionally, here are the big ones. Listen to me carefully. Number 1, you find hard to forgive. You carry a lot of grudges. You remember exactly what someone said you 5 years ago and it still burns you. Number 2, you feel jealousy easily. In fact, very easily. When someone is happy, instead of feeling that joy, you feel jealousy seeing them. You feel a pinch inside, and that pinch is a block of heart chakra. Number 3, you can't say I love you. You can't say I love you easily. Your words get stuck in your throat. I'm sure you feel it, but you can't express it. Number 4, you give love easily, but you can't receive it. Or someone cares for you, but you push them away. The last one, and it's the deepest one, you don't love yourself. You criticize yourself. You judge yourself. You look in the mirror and you find faults, and that is the root of all heart chakra blocks. Don't worry, I'm with you. Now, I want you to pause for a moment. Put your hands on your heart. Feel your own heartbeat. That heart has been beating for you since before you were born. It never said, I'm tired of loving you. It never stopped beating for you. It never said, you don't deserve my beats. It kept on going, it kept on going. Every single second for you. So if your own heart has not given up on you, then why have you given up on yourself? Why have you decided that you are not worthy of love? Your heart is still beating for you even now. When you start beating for it too, let's activate your heart chakra together right now. My request is, don't just watch, please do it with me. Place your hands on your heart. Feel the warmth of your hands to your heart. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, say the sound with me, yam, Y-A-M, okay? So take a deep breath in, yam. slowly feel each words. I forgive everyone who has even hurt me. I release the walls I have built around my heart. I'm open to give love, and I'm open to receive love. I love myself completely and unconditionally. I deserve love, I deserve care, and I deserve kindness. Let us repeat one more time, same affirmation. I forgive everyone who has even hurt me. I release the walls I have built around my heart. I'm open to give love, and I'm open to receive love. I love myself completely and unconditionally. I deserve love, I deserve care, and I deserve kindness. How did you feel? Tell me in the comments. I want to hear from you. Remember, when your heart chakra opens, magic happens. Right people start showing up, old wounds start healing, relationship that was broken start mending, and the most beautiful part is you start falling in love with yourself. Practice this activation for every single day for 21 days. Put your hands on your heart and say every morning, I'm open to give love and I'm open to receive love. Just watch what shifts in your life. This with someone who needs healing in their heart today. Remember, one share can change someone's life. If you find this video informative, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.